Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to share a VPN app that can help add an extra layer of protection while you're using the internet. This app can also help improve your connection when you're online. The app is available on the Google Play Store. On this channel, we regularly share apps that help improve online security and enhance internet connectivity, so you're in the right place. To get started, open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type TX-Tunnel VPN. From the results, make sure you select the correct app by checking the app name and icon. Install the app on your device, and once the installation is complete, tap on Open. If this is your first time on the channel, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. When the app opens and you reach the home screen, tap on the menu icon in the top corner. Make sure your internet connection is active. Next, tap on Server Status. Here, you'll see a list of available servers. Choose a server that is online, such as one of the free servers, and tap to select it. After selecting a server, go back to the main screen. Now, choose the network option. For this guide, select All Country UDP, as this option works in regions that support UDP. If UDP is not supported in your country, tap here and choose your country name from the list instead. Next, tap on Add Time to make sure the connection remains active while you're using the app. Finally, tap on the Start button to connect. Once connected, the app will begin working. That's how you can set up TX-Tunnel VPN for use while browsing the internet. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.